Dear students, today we are going to learn about the percentages and what percent of 40 is 28. When a question comes like that, then we are to find the answers. In a way, we have to write the 28 first of 40 multiply by 100. 0 cancel with 0. And 4 ones are 4 sevens are 28. 7 multiply 10 become 70%. So the right option is 70%. And when we have a question like that, which fraction is the biggest, in that case we have to cross multiply. 6 to multiply with the 10 and 7 to multiply with the 8. 6 tens are 60 and 7 eights are 56. So this is 60 and this is 56. Of course 60 is more, so this is the fraction which is the bigger. Now we have multiply 35 with 65 using the short method. So we are to write 35 and 65. Now multiplying 5 5s are 25 and 6 3s are 18. Now we will cross multiply. 5 3s are 15 plus 6 5s are 30. So adding these, it's 45. We are to add it in the middle. Add it up. 5 to 7, 4 8 12, 2 1 carry, and 1 1 2, and that is the answer. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and like the video.